are introducing a new section or new sector. I was able, off the options that we made money on last week, I was able to open a new portfolio. So that allows us to go through 10 more stocks. So let's go through, make it a little brighter. There we go. Healthcare. This is ABBV V, but first, since this is a new everything, let's draw some lines. Let's draw some extension lines. We're going to extend from here. No, wrong one. Extend from there to this top right there, back to this low. No. From here to here to here. All right. Now let's check out our numbers. How close were we? I would say those are pretty good numbers. It looks like that's what they're playing. As you can see, a break above right here, come back. They jiggled around this number. That was basically the breakout number we were looking for. Came, exploded, came all the way back, bounced off of it, boom, got rejected, blah, 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 blah. And now we are looking to hold the 115, looking to the 119 to hopefully the 123. Yeah, no, this looks pretty good. Let's look at it from 3 years ago. No, let's go 10 years. Ooh. So we're getting close to it. When was this? This is 2018 high, which is, we're going to have, we're having resistance as we speak. It's right at the resistance from 2015 or 2018, excuse me. I like it. However, this is the first week we've dealt with healthcare. I have nothing to base it off of. It looks great. But it's holding a lot of resistance right there. Do you see that? Now that's the monthly chart. Let's look at the daily chart again. I mean, the daily chart looks amazing, right? My only fear is we are a little extended, and then we do like to touch the 100, or you see we've bounced around 100. If we were only going to the green, the 20, and going off, then that'd be one thing. But just for the simple fact, it's only 4.7, so it's basically 1 month ago we were at 104. We've gotten 16 points without really a comeback, and we should be having some resistance. I would want to kind of see what happens for the first week without making any trades in healthcare unless we see something that's just blatantly obvious. For the only reason is it's the first week. I don't know anything. We haven't really been able to check anything. Yeah, this looks terrible. I don't know why this is in the account. I must have found something that's amazing in here because this looks absolutely horrendous. I mean, at one point in time, yeah, that was amazing, but this looks terrible. I don't even know why I put this in there. Again, there has to be, what is this? Okay, I think I know what it was. I did my analysis leading up into this. So I don't know what happened at the beginning of the year. I have to do some more research and figure out because we might dump this one. This does not look like it's anything I want to be close to. It looks like it's going to go down. However, if it holds this right here, the 68, then it could be an amazing buying opportunity. So let's check this out for the week. For the next week, I'm going to do a little bit more research on this, kind of see what they do, see if my mind has changed, or if this is this amazing buying opportunity. But so far, I don't like at all. It looks terrible. However, if you look at the squeeze, man, if you look at the squeeze, we are starting to build momentum higher, right? Now with this, we would build a retracement. All right. So let me see some numbers. Now I am intrigued. Because it literally hit like all-time high and then just took a back. I want to see what happens when it hits the red line. And we'll go from there. All right, we'll see next week. I'm not buying it. But it could break out and headed straight to 92, which would be an amazing move, which we're in it for the stock, so it doesn't matter. BMY. No. Looks great, but no. We are way too much in a range. We're in this huge trading range from 66, 58 to 67. And we've been in this range since, when is this? Let's just go back a couple of years. Let's go weeks. Yeah, no, I'm good. However, look at this squeeze. This is a massive weekly squeeze. This squeeze started August of last year. Oh man, I'm sorry. August of last year is when this squeeze started. When this breaks out, yeah, this squeeze will be great. It's going to be a great bull run. Hopefully we can get something like this. But until we see something, I mean, it's steady climbing. Don't think it's not climbing. But if you want to get your head ripped off, then be my guest. This, don't forget, these are weeks. So it's trades that maybe go down for 4 weeks, then back up for 4 weeks. This is difficult. It's difficult to trade. Not too bright open, not easy. We'll worry about this once we understand these stocks a little bit more. All right, Gilead Sciences. Of anything I have seen so far in healthcare, I enjoy this. We got the potential. We have potential to go up to 69. Where are we right now? Is he 66, 69? That's a 4-point move. And then, like, if it can break above this 69 area, then it could go all the way back up to the 78. I enjoy this. However, again, let's draw some retracements. Yeah. See that? We're right at that 50% mark. I'd prefer to be on the other side of the 50 before I want to jump in. So when it comes above the 67, 77 and can hold that, then I'll be more amped to get in. But it's playing these numbers correctly. So this looks like it could be our big line in the sand, is holding the 67, 77. AstraZeneca, I kind of like it. It's not kind of wishy-washy, honestly. Let's do a retracement. I mean, we're doing a backwards retracement, but yeah, we're at some resistance. Again, let's just wait. Let's wait, give it a week, kind of see what happens next week. Pfizer, I like, but I don't like at all. This is more of like not going anywhere stock, because this range, it looks really big, right? It's 40 to 38. It's only 2 points, so it's not like it's that big of a deal, right? So with something like this, you got to really be paying attention. It's a small stock. Yeah, could have been a great move. Yes, it could. Do I kind of see it going above 41? Yeah, I do. So let's kind of check this out. Let's give ourselves the gift of time. June 41s. That looks like something that's not very expensive. That's something I'm interested in. What is it? This is the PFE June 41. All right. No, it's not guaranteed I'll buy it, but I'm interested in looking at it. Let's look at MRK. Honestly, this is probably the only one that I like this. Let's see, did they beat? No, they did not beat. However, it has taken off since it did not beat. It's above. Give it a week. I mean, this could be the turning point, and it could break above the 79 all the way up to 87, but let's give it a break. Johnson & Johnson. They just got cleared with their, everything's fine with their, whatever it's called. Let's do a retracement. I kind of like this. Let's get rid of this real quick, and we're going to do an extension. Yep. So we're basically getting the same numbers. Nice breakout. We got 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's held it. So Johnson & Johnson this would probably be the and it beat on earnings. I like this one better than Pfizer, depending on price. So target 71. No, you know what? I do like this. I really do. However, I like it even better if we can get to the 71. Or if I can get it, it's kind of like right in the middle, right? That's the only reason I like it, but it's just right in the middle. If we can get closer to 66.75 and hold that a little bit closer, right? Because it's like basically 2 points out of that. If we can get maybe 75 cents away from 66.75, I'd look to want to get in, just because it gives us a little bit more bang for the buck to try to get the 70s right here. It's just kind of difficult because our all-time high, we're having resistance at the 71 and then all-time highs at 73 with the next move to 76. I do see that it could get there, no problem. You know, they're about to have amazing amounts of money with their vaccine that they created, and we're in an upward trajectory ever since here. And this stock has the ability to rise rapidly fast. Again, let's just wait till next week. Moderna, I gotta keep my biases away from this. I'm gonna keep my biases 110% away. It kind of looks like one with shoulder, head, shoulder, right? But we also literally touched the 100 and bounced. 20 points in 2 days. So watch this. This could bounce up to the one. This could get up to 180 with the quickness, no problem. See, and you can see because they are pricing in. Look at implied volatility 67%. Even down here we're at 59, but you can see like there's a lot of premium there. You're gonna for the 80s, you're gonna pay $6 for the 80s, and that's 17 points away. What that just basically means this is a very volatile stock. I don't want to play with it without knowing it, without seeing it for at least a good week and a feel for it. All steams ahead on United Health Group. So let's do this probably won't even give us anything. Yeah, see, it is full steam ahead. Let's do it again. Ooh, look at that though. I'm glad we did that. You could sell some calls against this line right here, the 420. However, that's not what we're talking about in this. We are doing directional options strategies only to start off with. Now that that line's right there, it's kind of hard for me to be like, yeah, I'll jump in. I'd want to see a pullback. A pullback, give us back to 407 maybe and get in there. All right. That was for healthcare. I'm glad we went through that. It's going to be fun and exciting kind of over the next few weeks to try to make some money off of the healthcare sector to build our portfolios. And then, yeah,